Congratulations and thank you for your trust in us. And we promise that you will get all that we promised and more inside the WriterArc members area. But before you proceed to access WriterArc and get your audience spellbound by creating highly professional content, I would like to ask you a question. Would you like to remove all limitations to unlock full potential and supercharge your WriterArc account and get 3x more profits faster and easier? I am super excited to introduce WriterArc Pro Upgrade. Includes the power to take your business to the next level by getting full flexibility to do anything unlimited. Generate unlimited number of write-up, unlock unlimited longer content length, define your own niche, create custom templates, start blogging by directly posting content on bloggers or WordPress sites with help of advanced integration, built-in text-to-speech converter, commercial license, and watch your profits go through the roof by unlocking never-seen-before features. We have left no to make you Market Pro, and that's why you're getting everything unlimited and much more. Interested? Let's check it out. Generate unlimited content each month, no break free and limitless. Generate as many copies as you want every month, and every day, there's no limit. Unlock unlimited longer content length. Don't limit your content to 300-500 character. Unlock unlimited longer content length for all your content types. Define your own niche to find your own niches per your need other than predefined niches to automate your content creation. Create your own template. Create your own writing template as per your need and use case by defining it in the WriterArc. Advanced integration. Start blogging by directly posting your blog post from WriterArc to Blogger or WordPress website with the help of advanced integration. Built-in text-to-speech converter. Generate voiceover in 150+ human and AI voice in 35+ languages. Create unlimited voiceover for up to 15,000 characters. Create unlimited podcasts in any language from any script. Convert any ebook to audiobook in 30+ languages. Commercial license to provide content, writing, and voiceover service for your clients. Isn't it super cool? We've never offered features like this before, and this is your only chance to get them. Lastly, you're getting all these benefits at an unparalleled price only during this launch period. So, when you add all these features to your existing purchase, it's like adding 1,000 tons of jet fuel to WriterArc and setting it on fire with dynamite. These premium features put this upgrade in an entire elite class of its own. No other software comes even close to it. But there is a small catch. This exclusive offer and bonuses are available only today and only right now for folks like you who picked up WriterArc's main offer, and we are offering it for a very minimal investment. So, before your competitors catch on, grab it and start making profits with all the amazing features you're getting with this WriterArc Pro upgrade, and rest assured, your investment is covered by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. See, you have already made a smart decision to invest in WriterArc. Now, make another wise decision and quickly get this upgrade today. Hit the button below and go premium with WriterArc Pro upgrade. Once again, I am Dr. Amit Parikh, along with the Chal Goswami and Adil Parikh, and we'll see you inside.